Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy here at OVA, and today we're going to be going over different webcam shapes. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The common webcam shapes for most people are going to be rectangular or square, but today we're going to be doing circle and diamond. So our first step is going to be to head on over to Google and check out what our webcam resolution is. And as we can see here, it's 1080. Step number 2 is going to be that we open up Photoshop or any art application that we're currently going to be using. We're going to create a new file at 1920 by 1080 at 300. Now, if your resolution for your webcam is different, make sure that your height and width are gonna match those. Once you have this screen up, you're gonna wanna take the paint bucket tool and make sure you have a off black background. I like to use the blue side. There we go. The hex code for this color is 16181E. Now that we have our background color, we're going to want to make a new layer and add the shape we want for our webcam. When adding in your shape, if you drag and hold shift, it will keep the object the same size instead of making it into the shape of an oval. We can hit Control T and make sure that our circle is in the center of our background. Once it's in the center of the background, we just want to grab the color and change it to white. I'm actually going to go ahead and make this circle a little bit bigger, so I'm going to drag and hold shift and then center it again. Now that we have our shape, we're going to go ahead and export this file. For the next step, you're going to go ahead and open OBS Studio. Alright, now that we have OBS open, we're going to grab the video camera that we want to change the shape of and bring it in. Alright, so now that we have our webcam, we're going to right click it and go to Filters. In the Filters menu, we're going to hit the plus sign in the bottom left and go to Image Mask / Blend and hit OK. In here, we're going to go to the path and hit Browse and grab the image that we just exported from Photoshop. And now we have our shape. And that's it. Now you can move your camera around and it's in the shape of a circle. So you can do the same thing with a star, a diamond, a heart, anything creative. You can make yourself look like you're underwater in a submarine and you're looking through the little peephole. So there's plenty of options that you guys can do here. If you would like to download this overlay for your webcam, I have a link in my description that you guys can click on. Now it is only $5 on Patreon a month and you will get access to all of my overlay sets, panel sets, and webcam sets currently. This will continue to update, so there could be even more surprises in the future. Content on this channel will be coming out every Thursday, so do make sure to hit the like on the video and subscribe so you get notified when my next video comes out. Also, if you would like to see other content, please follow my Twitch channel. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll catch you next time.